you like chicken creamy and spicy, then you're going to love this recipe. I'll be making a Peruvian food today. It is called Aji de Gallina, and I'm dedicating this dish to two very special friends, Renata from Chicago and Alexander from St. Louis, Missouri. I want to thank all my YouTube followers and friends, and if you want a recipe and you want me to make it, please request it in the comments below. And first things first, we'll make the chicken broth. Get your water boiling, add your chicken breast, also a few stalks of celery, half of one onion. If you have a few carrots, this is the time to put them in as well. If not, that's fine. Just a little bit of salt for seasoning. Now we're gonna cover it and let it cook low and slow until your chicken is fully cooked. In a bowl, put 5 slices of white bread. Just pull the bread apart with your own hands into smaller pieces, and we're going to soak it in milk. The ideal it is evaporated milk, but whole milk and half and half mixture works fine as well. Now we're gonna let it sit like that for approximately 5 minutes. Now you're simply going to use your hand, and it's time to mix well all that bread and the milk. Let them incorporate really nice. Let them get to know each other. We want it to be just like a puree, very nice and smooth. And we start with the onion. We get that oil nice and warm. We get our onions in there, and we're gonna let them cook until they turn translucent and soft. We do not want them brown, just nicely soft. See how beautiful our onion looks now? It is ready to receive the second guest, the garlic. Oh, look at that. That garlic smells amazing. Don't you love when you start doing this and the house smells just delicious? This is just so relaxing. This is why exactly I love cooking. Mix it well. Lower the heat if you need, because you don't want the garlic to burn. Now we're adding a little bit of cumin and a little bit of pepper. And mix it well. It's time for the peppers. We start with the Peruvian yellow pepper paste. This is the star of this dish. It's what is going to give the delicious flavor and the color to the ají de gallina. Mix it really nice. Let it cook a little bit. We are also adding 2 tablespoons of ají Mirasol. This is Mirasol pepper. It's also going to add another level of flavor and color. Oh, look at that. It smells so good. There is nothing like the Peruvian peppers. It's just out of this world. Let them cook and let them hang out in there for a little bit. And last but not least, 1 teaspoon of Panca Peruvian pepper. This last one is just to give the ají de gallina the right color. It has a little yellow, a little orange. It's just the perfect combination, balance of colors. And as this cooks, we're going to need a little bit of the chicken broth. Remember, this is the chicken broth we made at the beginning of this recipe when we put the chicken breast and the water to boil. So we'll be adding some of that. It will cook for about 10 minutes, and you may need to add more broth again. Just if your liquid evaporates quickly, then you add more as needed. Now add the bread and milk mixture we made earlier and mix it slowly until everything incorporates very well. Lower the heat if necessary. Oh God, look at that. Beautiful colors. We're getting there. This, the texture, everything is coming up together now. Just keep mixing. We are adding a little bit of evaporated milk, alternating with chicken broth. Oh, the smell. Yeah, baby, look at that. Mix it really nice. In goes the shredded chicken, and we incorporate it very well with the cream sauce. We need a little bit more chicken broth. Keep mixing and keep adding more liquid as needed. Add your Parmesan cheese and start setting up the table, baby, because we're going to be eating very soon and this girl is hungry. And just like that, the ají de gallina is ready to be served. Look at that. It's delicious, creamy. It's just so comforting. Who is gonna come eat with me now? And just serve the creamy ají de gallina sauce over a bed of boiled potatoes. If you find the yellow Peruvian potatoes, that will be a score because they taste really amazing. Garnish it with hard-boiled eggs and olives. And this is all for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. I had so much fun making it for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with everybody. I'll see you next time.